Okay, welcome to the next video. Another challenge video for you today. I'm going to be playing tennis with a tumble dryer. I've got one of these rackets, something like a ping pong tennis board and that, or tennis table. Yeah, so we'll have a crack at this. Just like yesterday when I was doing the football challenge. Well, obviously I think that'll be posted on the same day today. Yeah, so we'll get into the video. But before we do, don't forget to like and subscribe. So the aim of the game is to try and play tennis and hit the ball into the tumble dryer. So hopefully I've got another camera in the utility room for better shots, so we'll be split screening it again. So yeah, we'll get into this shot. This should be easier than the football. So just do like what we did yesterday, best of 5. Although it was best of 3 because it was going on for a good while. It was about a 20-minute video, so don't know if you can see this okay, but if you can't, I've got the camera in there so you can see. So yeah, let's get into this video. Ooh. Good start. Okay though. Ooh. Quite. I've not played tennis for ages, so it might take a bit of getting used to it. Oh. I was like this at school, bloody hell. That's 1-0. Ooh. Move that ball out of the way, that bloody gym ball. Let's give it that. I'm up to 1-0, so. Oh dear. So 1-0 so far. Ooh. Not bad. So I'm up to 1-0. Didn't get the right shot. Oh. I'll try and whack this hard as possible. Oh bloody hell. That hit the loft. Do you know what? I think I'll need to do it a bit closer. Try at this angle. Not quite. Just need to pull my shorts up because shoes look just bum. So yeah, give it another. Oh, not quite. Yeah, I think I've got more room at that angle. I nearly have 2 goals then. I had it though. Kind of habits. There we go. I know that's cheating a bit, but it'll do. Ooh. Now I'm getting the gist of it. I keep hitting it against a bloody thing. Ooh. It's very hard. Don't go down the stairs. Call myself Andy Murray. I'm doing crap. Let's try a bit though. A bit higher. Not quite. Ooh, not bad. There we go. I think that's about 2 or 3 nil now. Call it 3. Call it 3 nil. Ooh! I'm going to put the dry window through then. And let's see where that's gone. We'll call that 3 nil. 4 nil. Do you know what? This video's been going 6 minutes. It's a quicker video probably than the last, so yeah. Up to 7 minutes in this video. 5 nil. 4 nil I mean. So let's give it another shot. Not quite. The guy's door's gone. Ooh. Hey, did you see that? Do you know what? Shall I keep on doing it? Make this a 10-minute video. That was a good one, that one. I like that one. Ooh, that was close. Not close enough. Now I'm getting the hang of it. Don't go down the bloody stairs. Ooh. Shit. Do you know what? I think I'm going to call this video the end of it. Ooh, but we'll do some of this. And there we go. Down the stairs we go. Before, in fact no, I won't get that now because there's another ball in there, so obviously I think I've come to the end of this video now because I'm already hot. It's a bit of an easier one, the football challenge video. I'm quite happy with that one, the football challenge. It did take about 20 minutes, that video, because that was a lot harder and the balls were very small as well. But with this, tennis ball is probably an average size to a normal tennis ball, and obviously the racket's table tennis racket, if you know what I mean. So I feel like I'm doing an auction here with a gavel. Spin it. Yeah, so yeah, thanks for watching this video. There's more videos coming. I need to tell you that I've been on Amazon recently. Yesterday I've been buying some appliances, not like, well, toy appliances. So I've got a Mealy, I think that's how you pronounce it, toy washing machine coming where you can put water in it and that. And I've also having a throwback. These are really difficult. No one on YouTube has got a video like this that I'm doing. I don't know if you remember the 1980s, 1990s toy washer. It's a wacky washer. I don't know if you remember the game. So I'm gonna give that a bash. I used to have one as a child back in the early 90s, but I think it launched in the 1980s or 90s. I'm not too sure, but I was born in 1995, so I don't know the history of them. So yeah, I'll be doing an unboxing video of both those as well. That's coming. I'll be doing that probably next week sometime. So yeah, like, subscribe, comment down below, and don't forget I've got another channel. Oh, dropping anything. I've got another channel linked down below, Laundry Extra, so subscribe to that one. So yeah, and I'll see you in the next video.